This is my research program called FACE, a business that offers mental health solutions for teens. We can start for who I am. I am Juliana Vargas, also known as Lily. I was born in Colombia, but I was raised in Chile. Now I live in North Carolina. I have 15 years old and a passion for helping people. I also have personal experience with mental health. The basic question for FACE is how can we create a space where teens can take care of their mental health with other solutions besides traditional therapy. FACE is dedicated to revolution teen mental health support. Through our innovative programs, we offer non-traditional therapy methods, and most important, we empower teens to understand themselves better and improve their mental well-being. The basis of our mission statement and for FACE are our core values: passion, constant improvement, and diversity. We help them to improve have personal growth through different activities such as art exploration, sexual education, and life coaching. We guide them to find new passions and take care of their mental health in the process. Our vision is to empower teens to connect with themselves, have new experience, and a deeper understanding of themselves. Our value proposition is our purpose is to ensure that teens live the adolescent phase full of good experience and personal growth. Thanks, we can do this thanks to our programs that are designed to be an accompaniment in different parts of a teen life. For our target market, the characteristics of the parents are that they have a stable job, will have multiple children, and they live in North Carolina with their children. For our teens, they want to try something new. They also want to take care of their mental health and learn more about themselves. The demographics will be for the teens that are middle to upper class, and they are between 12 and 19 years old. Our market opportunity is that there is no one in North Carolina that only works with the wellness part of mental health. This leaves with a lot of people that want to take care of their mental health in a wellness part without a place to go. FACE is going to be that place. Getting to know the arts is a program made for explore different types of art through different classes, such as music, dance, craft, and others. For life coaching room is made for personal development, for improving emotional management, and set different goals that helps in to our teens. Sexual education is a safe place for everyone, where they can answer questions about sexual orientation, gender identity, and others. It's a complementing for teens. Find Your Career part is made for explore options, planning what college they want to go, and find what they want to do for their future. All this with time, enough time so they don't get overwhelmed. The academic tutors helps to learn what methods of study work for every teen and to help them to finish the academic year successfully. Our revenue streams are the program fees and the event. Our cost structure is rent, salaries, facilitator fees, water, light, internet, stationery, and insurance. Our funding requirements is that the average of the gap for the investment in FACE is between $32,080 and $33,000 and is going to be raised with investors. As we can see on this graphic, the expectation is that at the end of the first year, the average income will be between $58,000 and $80,000 and $60,000 per month. The estimate is that at the end of the first year, the average cost will be between $43,000 and $44,000 per month. And the expectation is that after the first month, the income will cover all the expenses. Thank you so much for paying attention, and I want to say that have the power to help ourselves and to accept help. Face is going to be a safe place where you can find this support. Thank you so much.